Hello guys, welcome to the JavaScript tutorial. Previously we have discussed data types, operators, null versus undefined, control flow, function, hoisting, TDZ, objects, and today we'll discuss about this keyword. This generally it refers to the object. If we try to access this globally, then it refers to the window object or global object. If we call a method or function inside object, then this refers to that particular object which contain that function. When we declare this inside a method, then it behaves like it is the owner of that method. So now we can discuss this keyword with more example. First, if you check in the Visual Studio console.log, then this it gives us empty object. Okay. But if you try to access this from browser, then you can see it's giving us window object. Okay. If we'll try to access this inside a function, then what will happen? So I have to call the function. So in here, it is referring to the global object. But if we'll write the same thing in the browser, we can see it is referring to the window object. Okay. But this is very unusual. Like we are trying to access this, but it is giving us the global. This always refers to an object. Okay. Either it is the inbuilt object or the dynamic object, like which we define basically. This will refers always to the object. Either it will be global or window object or dynamic created object. But if we'll try to restrict it, then we can use one directive, use strict. We'll discuss more on use strict later. If we'll see it, it is giving us undefined. The same thing, if we'll try to access here, it's also giving undefined in the browser. Why we are using use strict? Because if we don't use strict in the browser, then what will happen? If I'm giving something var name Rohit, inside the print function I'm giving var name Sachin, when I'm trying to access this dot name, what will happen? What it gives? It will give Rahit, because this will refer to the window object. In the window object, the name has been defined. That's why it will give Rohit. But it is very confusing. When a person declares a name inside a function and he will try to access this dot name, then he will see, okay, like what is happening. So that's why we need to use strict directive if we don't want unwanted things. Now let's take another example. I'm creating movie name object or movie object. Here I'm giving name Kalki and print ticket. So what do you think it will print? This dot name. We have discussed before. If you declare a function inside an object, then this will refers to the movie object. Means the movie object dot name. That means Kalki, right? Movie object dot print ticket. If I'll call this function, see it gives Kalki. So I think this is clear. Now I'll give another example. Uh, this is fine. I'll tell inside print function. Now I'm just creating another function inner. Then I'm trying to access console.log. Then this dot name. I'm giving here let name to Kalki one. What do you think? What will happen here? Let's see. So inside print function, it is giving me Kalki. But when I'm trying to access this dot name inside the inner function, it is giving me undefined. Why? Because this refers to the global object or the window object. As we know, when you declare a function or method inside a object, then this will be referred to that movie object. But this inner function is under this print ticket function. That's why this is not belongs to this movie object. This is belongs to the window object. ये थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज है बट मैं जो पहला वाला जो फंक्शन होगा जो करंट फंक्शन है उसके अंदर जो हम लोग दिस लिखेंगे इट मीन्स इट विल जस्ट रेफर टू दैट ऑब्जेक्ट but this is not the current function, right? This is the second function and this is the inner function. But if I'll write something here like print name function console.log, if I'll try to print this dot, see when I write this dot, it is giving me three options: name, print name, right? That means this is belongs to this object. That's why it's giving me all these options. But when I'm trying to give this dot, see nothing is coming. So basically this is belongs to the window object. But if I'll do the call print name, then also we'll get this Kalki. If anyone don't understand till now, please let me know. I'll try to help you to understand it. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.